Sringa diski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme.
Chief, my chief, how are you, sir?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself, guys.
I'm Nandi. Hey, man, chief. Someone just sent us a message on Facebook. Carter, the Pirates player. So, John Carter, Mandas. Then got
over Petla first 11.
Yeah,
Clapping up at green and white.
yeah.
The ground in South Philly scale.
Yeah. Do you know the guy?
My competitor, Neki Pisa na Leon Hotiak. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes, sir.
Piri ka ofela ni tshwereke ya hotel, mo di strikers.
Yeah,
Shawela ka ofela ni tshwereke mzerewa mo di strikers.
yeah.
Nora o jala first isi jala li Shawela Stars. Na ko be na ba re bitsa Induna Stars. Mamela. O re Shawela no tumile na Piri o tumile khat.
Yeah.
We once went to Pirates trials, both of us. Yeah, no, ile ka tsela tsa hae le nna ka tsela tsa ka, but luck wasn't on our side. Yeah. So, o kila ya. Dile kae. Mara re di mo di trialing.
Oh,
Yeah. Ne really blind, although we grew up together, re rata polo, re ratana. You understand? Yeah, ne kuri ke fitlhe Phiri no ke kasi. Le a batlile kuri ne re bua polo, re sa bui ka batho, re sa sheba hore tlape itseng entse eng, ne re bua ka rona.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I see wena prosimo polo nga iyo, and I never forced to repeat.
Go itse ka nna go botsa ka ona ka phone wa reng a utha di potteries.
Na ile fit kroba ena.
Yeah.
Naturally, by birth yena ke bona fitness ya tlatsa, mara by birth yena he was well built, that guy. Le ana ka tloela pola e mo wrestling na ka wina. Na emi hantle na le teng a botone.
Gore no ne ane le kopana groundong le vesisana a gro wena no le ka ishawela yena le ka daso no nyiwa.
Ke re no ba busy ground tsele di net tsa bona the way na ba ja batho ka teng batho ba fastisi. Ne ba sa idumeli net I thathuluwe ska e na ba itlwele o ele ka I ka hare. O ra ile corner polo o I wana tlo tshwarang net ka letsoho bana no re polo e kene khate ki strategy sa bona. Mara Carter was a gifted somebody na le blind.
Ai ra le bua actually di viewers dia bona how commenta o cho something o re kopa re renge ka motho ra renga ka ena ska no tse renga ka ta Carter ya mana re champele da so we bone game ya le Sunderland.
You know, when Golden Arrows beat Chiefs, now Golden Arrows in Hoputsa club, I once had few teams put Taffy, those that I coached.
Yeah.
I had Dube Progress. You had the late Chofa ya Thabo Mbeki, Slow Pule. Those boys were doing things to happen. Bo Chomo, Ike Maitonzela. Hispana ko Department of Sports no Antonio, Bo Shakes, Bo Thabo, Maruping, Korti, Bo ANC, to mention few. Bo Basinki, Bontate ka je go mona ntwana nyana tsa ka tseo. Mamela. No never dumele what I like those years, those days, nane ke ra ke coacha tlapa ke refra qeta game na balwana le refri ro pele da tunako isinako ile nako vele because our thing wa bona Arrows in khuputsa mrago ka ntwana tsaka tsena ne ke di coach. I'm talking of Dube Progress, I'm talking about Jabulani Vultures, I'm talking about Maharaj yana lady. Those boys in Abama Melor ke batla ba itseng. If you can check coach ya Arrows, that boy shapatsa magtsamangova o itulela fatshe. Ntwele ya coach ya Sundowns ya o theosa nyolosa ya o di linesmen hana yona o ituletse bafana ba sha spot and ntwana o tselo di shebe ha di atata. They take their time. Sheba goal ya tsona e robetse Sundowns. And another thing with Sundowns I libala abakwazi ukugijima labantu.
Hey,
Abekho.
no abashaye ke di new players.
There's no new player in football. A player will stay being a player, baba. If I mean utswa wena ona jwale o shootera bu tafu wa tsebo re shooter jwang ke. So what will be the difference? Jersey ke yone eo, scheme ke sona seo, ground ke yone, polo ke yone, so what's the difference? Akere ba tsama bo mfukeng. Ke entse dlala Pirates. So
ya re champele blan go tla ntse re champele o yona Pirates yona game ya yona be bone jwang because na ya nthabisa next.
I didn't know the most important thing in a game is a win. Or the winner jwang, but wa bangata bana taba as long you win. But I don't believe in that. Pirates is coming. And that I ke a le chaela no o tlo bola Pirates that boy. The coach. Sheba always how ka sheba. O tsamaisa di players the blind, the right for team. Over system mabaso. Are thole reason why over system mabaso.
Yabo ne ke botsale ka Van Roy.
Well, you check that. Wa motsamaisa le yena o entse mfano because o re save
Ke utlwa le gossip ba re ngwana sisi le nna ngare Sundowns ya mmata ba bona gore batho ba ba kenye ngare ba va
no ke okay Sundowns ya ba batla yes mara ba fela ba entse eng ke yo masaleng o ile Pirates u Sundowns and then what
le no sambane ba complain
ba la bo manyisa ba vaile Pirates ba yo Sundowns ba dlala di legends ba etsa ga ba bone nowhere. Sundowns ke a so ba tlo retire abhloko you go there it's fine. Tsona le dustbin e batho ba lahlang teng di tshile Sundowns a se tla bo ka reng e tla be mfano moko bana le ntwe ya o re o tswa kae Sundowns it's how I see them. Despite the coach himself Leon ba sa matla but he's not aware because serious if it's not broken why fix it. So with Sundowns mfano lo thotsi tapeli sharp abatla ka ngone tlanka ile ka le ka wa Pirates o jo is fa shebile yana jare ne ba iqeto sharp
ai ka mo mbotho
ake mo lo mtsila msuna ke ngwana hae le ska mo destroy like I once told you in football a coach will make you a coach will destroy you Ntonelo wayizama ukupani next
and I destroy.
He's trying everything and if I was that boy as a coach I would fake a ninja. To rebuild myself, give a grand, now I'm coming. Don't let us be sharp. And the West is playing under pressure.
And I know we made Westmore and defense to me hate.
I said it, yeah.
I say I can say it to but can I say Seba Bamupu?
They've started already. Of which I told Ichi the other time. Now they're not changed. Not to who's a well into another Pirates. Yes, Minabingi Pegil is a good young man. But the coach I need his space. And Lantana no man just kuma manja now. He has to waste this scheme.
True.
You understand? Whether he performs or he doesn't. I mean, why a forced to Lantana label nothing a command. How many games did that boy play for the team as a striker? How many goals does he have? No. Let's face it.
In a very if our representative
le player challenge ngenile umlungu le sifakile bengakayibhekile inkosi ekseni manje ngibhorekile ngibhekile into that boy yakora bafana don't yasebenza
le no first ubone first tasha more mbamkapate ngore na entse mthuli
mamela
phela player na ishapila fitile
nale ground le la vele ngekho right if le ground be right njengalela bo Pirates la Orlando bezolupa kore le ball but the ground li you understand aliko sharp
ne ke ipotsa le teng gore why ba sa dlala groundung ile cause ba dlala groundung
bayazi ukuthi ne Pirates yakijima so the only thing baba fake ground elincane ukuthi baba crowd bangayenzi lento abajwayele ukuyenza so kanti ngebhadi ke nangu lolungu no hodo bazoshaya iphasi emnandi babambisa inet baphuma kubo labantu
I know how to I represent.
Man,
Matalawaro.
discipline, that's what taking that boy places.
Le no ne ke checkile and like why coach rona se tse ho to captain. O bone captain a rona no. We bone captain o thutse nje. A khona uchika bafana a khona etsa. We thuletse.
Ezinye izinto bafowethu ngicela ukuthi ningimamele. Mangithi disking kunabantu abafasayo. I mean it.
Yeah.
Zathwala le tsotsile zenze ziyabopha. Mangabheka sike saba nama player 2 Pirates. Ujele
Yeah.
no bana uthulano lo hlashwayo. If you remember those boys abekang ball bebeshayana boyithu for each position. You understand? So you check the nationality yalabantu yonke nangu lo mfana we Pirates why we Chiefs manje.
Yeah.
So abanye abantu into ziyabasipanela. Like I've said before, in football kune natural luck. Nale luck yokuthi ube na something yokuthi ugeze or yabona. I can tell you about my cousin.
Yeah.
People didn't know that, and let me make them aware now. Eyiskuse. Weskuse is part of my relative. Mangi yamhlake ngedladleni emingcwabeni we are together. Izandla la picked it up ukuthi wasedladleni. U-Ace bengadlali ibhola nje uBrastene besho kahle athi ish. Ngoba uyazi bemnika ini. Bekethi make nyathela nje phuma change room. Khali stadium sonke. You understand? Ngoba lento yakhila uyazi wenzeni.
Yeah, controller.
You understand? So I'm a player no. Usibisi nje nginokumbona kulama clips wethu last season masowini ebelwa. Manje ithulele nje. Ngathi une problem akakhululekanga silo sibise engimaziyo.
Akakhulumi ne.
And uhodwa ngeke bamnike ngoba akazelanga ready. If ungabheka ama clash ka coach no maswanganye change room.
Yeah.
Last season bekuhodwa khuzayo.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
Bekuhodwa because self yena uhodwa self une discipline. And uyalwela le club la muntu wethu futhi.
Yeah.
Despite the fact that man make ngena uphethe flag ye country yakhe mara nge Pirates bemamela lo muntu ngeke umenze next.
Yeah.
Uyaphelela.
I make sure
You check that. So he's there to work. That's why I said I once coached a pushback reach. All these guys from outside, they just tell you, guys, let's go and work, guys. They are here to work. They are not here for fashion. They are not here for things.
I Kalebua Chief. Do you wanna say anything?
Yes, I get every day feel. Libala. Ulimele lo mfana Pirates uyohlala for 5 months akaphatha ubheka ureferee ukuthi wenzeni.
And ubone le lona lo khwale ne balentsha. Ubone na bamkaqaji wa kira ba fethu.
Sabo referee benzani? They're trying to imitate into overseas. Angeke bayikhone. I-yellow card bafowethu, I mean i-red card, awuyichange ibe yellow card.
Yeah.
Ama career ama player phela ngendaba yabo referee. Aba soft is not necessary. Huh? So abo referee bethu mabenza into yayivar. Ngithanda lo referee angisamazi kama lo mfishana othanda ukugijima lo.
Yeah.
That boy ngiyamthanda ngoba each and every incident enzakalayo is next to the board. Hayi le trouble le referee Pirates. Hayi le trouble le referee team Sundowns.
Hayi labantu laba mana.
Bafowethu safa mayenze something. Otherwise ama player ba ama career ayahamba ngokukhathelana bangathatha ama action amampela.
Yeah, ubana nama injury unnecessary.
No, ne serious ngabo referee out. That's why I'm taking last month because abo referee abaningi abazange ebholweni ngoba bathanda ibhola. Ngoba ukwazi ukustudisha crema phase bamgaya ama game. Yes bulala but umuntu okuyodlala ibhola njengathi. Nanoma referee bonta mara leyana yiyo. Mara leya benefit of a doubt. Mara mo referee with guys basifeyila nawo lo vona Pirates akasadlali yini injury cost ephambi kwa referee. So ngicela nje isafa ingenelele kulento yabo referee otherwise ama player amaningi dise kuyophela unyaka ngadlali.
Hayi ngiyabonga Chief.
Sisonke.
Hayi singayiclose.
Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Soweto Blankets. Baipegi ngiyazi abanye bathi ingubo njengawe uthi ingubo babangi bari ke kubo. Baipegi from Soweto Blankets. Baipegi sinje masithanda sithi support udaki. Sikulethela ama import wengubo. Baipegi ulale kamnandi. Sithi support udaki.
From Soweto Blankets, by Peri.
uzilethela ama-import wey'ngubo bayibhehe ulale kamnandi from Soweto Blankets.
Ola bafethu sibuyile futhi this is a G General 1010 mashume mpa tsolowa this is serenga ngediski adithombe tswe ola bafethu
awe mjenene
tada
jenene mana di game tsa this weekend mana yena ke bona ngare ne di le papa re qale no we bone game ya Alpagane
ya ne ke shebile versus Kukun
la ba korile mana
honestly I check if ever the opposition it was too strong Pirates ke be lose ke tsebe ka how many goals game ile le goal ba thotseng it was just a lucky goal ha re tlo lebella hape vie ha re checka Pirates shota ka number 10 shota ka number 10 and again Mbuthuma needs to rest honestly speaking he needs to rest or abe le hanga ele hore a lo lwanela position Pirates are in a front. It's still struggling. As their coach even voiced out after the game, he said he still needs to fix a few lead team, which is Lena Waiponela Velogo team ya high. Kungena manzi.
Everyone ngara basibane.
Abana playmaker. Abana playmaker. Abana motho khona go ba ka dipolo a distribute. Go be that communication go front. Mbuthuma o thola di chance pata gale re la ga Mbuthuma fe ke na ka go coach lena dilo tsa rona di kenega mo tsebeng tsa ile na bono gaoa
ke di denge chief ena ibu hore o bana le di favor
and ya kawat ntwe ya kawat because e bula isa team
and already how la defense sona motho ana ha no re sa kawata player because already no a defend dilla utlo khuta sneneng o bana le nthoreng ya kena e be se ba mo bua
sure
o ra tlo tsa ba mshapela mazo ra coaches ban
nona le mo Patrick Maswanga ke leng a struggle teng ne di sa mogati tse pai defense ne di sa mfateng coach na sa mfateng mfan lo fort because he's one of those players that's one level if you can check ke man Cristiano Ronaldo ke one of the hardworking players hence they always want to compare Messi and Cristiano Messi bole maotong ke nthotsa it's a talent but Cristiano is a hardworking player ke player le batlang ho wina kankane winner ko wena ke hanga. So same applies to Maswangai. I was so shocked and surprised to why basamu era ko squatten senesilali Kukun.
Wa bona so same is nje ntana tsetse ba tsetse ke nga understand ngare mo mpeng ha rena next
abasoitshwara like ba santsane ba le fair
o bonele le ngabla le ane ba le Kenya ala phasiyo ala phasiyo ene no muthole nena tlo etsa change but utlo phaswa ke ma
ke ntho ke leng ka ibua le last story that guy o tsiba umnat only if a thola batho ba tlo gonang o mo kaya tsona believe in me mfana tlo shapa ntho tse metsi hampe mo le ka ofela go tlo makala that's a good sign player but in need fela support for coach atlo bua taba ya gore okay we still need to give him time which is true why because also adapted to standard sa team he's still learning or team idlala jwang and what not coming to think gore o buile statement to coach gore he's still not fit or amathise momentum ya team so same applies le male a police he said the same thing ka police or police are fit na ke bone ntho e bong ka police or police are fit a police been
and been represent so ebe ba this thing ena a re ba re ke mangona le display ba reng itswile no le ona da mo Alpagane ya tsebe re ke man Van Rooyen ke ena ya ka re kuta ba Van Rooyen a sa le yora so rumors saying coach amukenyo mo replace ka Sibelebele
on that one I didn't have the knowledge about it nka ba ke bua maka ka eo ke tsafi
so nano ha re ka checka then bo bana le this other player lona ene ba renga ka ona ba lla ka hore ntanga ngare o shaki di dintse tsa Adams lena na tswa ko Pirates tse ba dlalang sa le go Sundowns no mametse interview a psychologist ya ene renga da ya tsora no mfit ntanga ona le serious problem and tshwantse everyone ba make sure ba renga lena so ka bona ro go tsore there's a serious problem e tsalang ene hangata rona nke re di bona mo di player rona no di player di right until di player o bona say di bodies
that's why no ba batla ba le ntshwele go notice because of what happened to Jaden Adams funny enough something still no machita khawtsa ke ntwe pai they're going through the most but they are afraid to speak out to voice out why because what's about judge you ke nthola ga qala bua ba feke ko wa 3 1 2 3 nobody will hear you out ke why wena wa tefa wena Sarafina wena Babikela instead of mna mme fatso montso ga ntanga o le so ga ka tsama plan e itseng gone go phumelo be mtjotjo now batho ba ipolaya mfethu because of why depression is real and nobody o nkang into consideration gore re ka be le ga re tswela ka ntle wa smile o mnate but deep down motho wa shwa wa ithola yeah
so yeah by the way re tsela so
Sure.
re qete ka lepagane ya ke la
Ke ne go le
futa ke
Sandawana.
la futa
Yeah.
ke le lepagane nka re tlo dala le sekhukhuni happy 2 times
Sure, ke
Wa
second
bona?
league.
Yeah, so ya re kenele Sandawana game ya
Eish.
mobane man lona ma Sandawana kutlile batho ba lla ba re game ile ne Kenya so lena ke shebile mara ke shebile hanyane ke bona
Yeah.
se important the first half
Yeah, well, Sundowns first up, ne overload al set le la bona la left. If you can notice, ona le mo Mudiba, na dula a dropile. And for him to come back, it was a struggle. Remember, goal la bona e keneng ya Arrows, ba jile from his side. Because why once o bula space, ka fela ga push. Le bala go player ele ne ste calculate play ya bona number 8 ele ya bona ele. Ke mang ke Kasa. If I'm not mistaken, tona le Kasa ele. That boy got enough chances. He's good ka di cutbacks. O bona banka a kena ka hare a banka ba kunya unfortunately so na zamo di cover however he could but na sa ithole target na ibatla mfana nke ba jile Sundowns ali 1
Babo so leona Sundowns ke mthata ke di player tse ntšha or wetsalang
most like re ka checka da dingela di players tse khawathileng a ke go opola ntho le horeng we rely maybe ko Khuliso Modau ko Teboho Mokoena and all you can count then how about see it becomes a new thing strategy go coach tshwantse I think I can get some add on
ke ntwe ko tsware ke SMC ke tsala ko Pirates
yeah ke nthola se re tloetse mbatha a se yo ga struggle
Scalini wano ke ne ra bona ra
Hona le ntho e
ya
short-ang.
tse sa le yong iso
wa bona ke nthola gore jano se ke tloetsa dlala ka first 11 yaka if ever it happens gore ke thola di injury ke tloetsa jwang
mara no le ntwana tse tshwantse di make sure they represent if you
Exactly.
play sa lo sona wa make sure let me make sure le nna le ditsola ka la bitswa ra
le tshwantse ba ingwadise ba fana bo le bona ba la ba khutla di injury ba tshora ba bona no re na le challenge ke taba go le bona ba pick up di socks se ka ba nthola ga ke khutla obviously I know ke mo scheming whether performance ka e good or e low and always be part of the team
I re bone hore Pirates on ta qhubeka jwang cause no di lase ke one setseng a kere Sundowns tswile or re setse ka
di second leg, ba di two.
e meti
Yeah.
second no
E
lo
metse di second yeah
and no lo na tshwantse make sure ya represent
it has to I na choice because so far but batuleng I think by 5 ke Khuliso Modau ke Teboho Mokoena ke Antonio van Wyk ke Arthur Selsi le Cupido so I wanna 5 e le ona e ke strain for coach ke strain for coach ha bohloko bile a senganyana
ene ka iso ra sheba ke di players tse representant tse ntšha o di tswela mo training a ikena ka da so ya cost
exactly
hey I have nothing to say you have something to say Jenny
just to add on more ladies Kaizer Chiefs
Yeah.
they're doing very well yeah they even consolidated their place go to be on top go Gauteng Sasol League which the provincial league standings they won 3-1 against Northwest University I'm really impressed I've been watching their games le bona I batla sharp
I wanna tshwantse
sharp.
le re make sure ra ba checka the ladies cause
Sure.
are checkile skano ucho una le Chiefs sure le Sundowns ba busy ka iso bana le
Yeah.
mapagani the other teams
because
very-
Leona Sundowns vele they cruised into the 2026 COSAFA Cup Women's Champion League which is they won 3-0 over in Silver Strikers yeah tsa ko Gaborone United ko Gaborone United Stadium ne badlala Sunday night which is last night yeah so le bona I'm well impressed
Ay, danke ba represent amantombazana
yeah sibabhekeni nabo bafese ngabavaleli ngaphandle idiske lethu sonke both genders
yeah ayo singayivala ke
ayasivale bafethu
Awe.
let's not forget to like to share to comment and to subscribe sinithanda nonke emakhaya bafethu tswe out and about
awe
ulas
hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu sirina nediski asiyo amasuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrostani diski adlalile idiski that's why sirina ngediski yes ya yibonke kijane laba
Same story, missing this, don't know that. Can we eat first? They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Say it ain't disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a
What's up, football lovers? I'm your host, Biri. Welcome back to Serengangetiski. Please comment below and let us know your prediction for the new PSL season. This is Serengangetiski. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video. Please, Bafete Sankela, do that, because when we check on our watch time from our subscribers for the last 28 days, Bafete, people who are checking our show who not subscribed, we have 92.6% of Abantu Ababegi show, they don't subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. And we have Abantu Aba subscribile checking the show, it's 7.4. Please Bafetu, let's just make sure that at least at the end of this year, Bafetu, shang 100% ya wonke umuntu subscribe Bafetu. It's free to subscribe, it doesn't cost you money. You just click that subscribe button, Bafetu,